Ah. Nandiyan na pala kayo? Nga ganyan naman.
Sinabi nandiyan na pala kayo, guys. Sana di ako natulog muna, diba? But yeah, alright, let's compose ourselves. Daw. Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today, man, we have another reaction, no? So, ngayong araw, man, finally, this song has been on our requested list, no? Since nag-start tayo mag-react sa mga older songs nila, since Get in the Zone pa, no? Marami na nag-request na mag-react tayo sa Wyatt or Where You At, no? Na kanta ng SB19. But yeah, of course, we have to listen to the OG's songs first before we listen to Where You At, no? But finally, we're here. Without no further ado, man, let's get it. Cassette tape. Okay, so ito yung marami siya nagsasabi doon pa lang sa like teaser ng Simula at Wakas, na ito nga tong parang cassette tape na to or lang radio na to, na nire-reference sa doon sa teaser ng Where You At is galing, Where You At, Simula at Wakas is galing doon sa kantang Where You At, no? So I assume this is it, no? This is it. Okay, sige, mag-play. Oh shit, bagay kay bagay kay Josh yung buhok niya. Pati kay Justin, no? Yung parang style nilang parang ano ba to? Kay Elvis Presley. Ano bang kanta niya? Jailhouse Rock ba yun? Na parang nakaganyan siya ng suot. Oh shit. Okay, no. I'm sorry, Josh and Justin, man. Pero yung ganito kasing buhok na parang pang, I don't know, 70s. Kinabog kayo ni ni Ken, man. Mas bagay pala sa kanya. Hotel. Ba't siya lang nahiwalay yata? Pocket watch? Oh, green colored. Mobile. I don't know why every time na I see something like a scene like this, no, may masasaging kutsara na hindi sinasadya or tinidor. Lagi ko naisip is yung parang parang chain reaction ba yun? Or chain effect na nangyayari usually sa Final Destination. Sa Final Destination, nakakasar. By the way, mahilig pala ako sa mga ganong klaseng movie. Wala lang. Share ko lang. Okay, ba't lang dalag? Okay. What the hell? Ba't gata yung vibe ng kanta? Come on, hindi nyo pwedeng palitan yung Moonlight sa gatong... SB19, what are you doing? Okay. Let's prepare ourselves in here, no? Kasi unang-una, for me, sa ganitong klase ng vibe, no, na upbeat and I don't know how you call this genre, pero I mean nalalapit yung tunog niya sa Moonlight para sa akin. And again, you already know how I overglaze OA na nga sa Moonlight, no? And I really love that song. I actually like I still listen to it like every other day. It's still OA, no? Para sa kantang napakinggan ko na napakatagal, ilang beses. Pero nung unang mga araw na pinakinggan ko yung Moonlight, alos sa isang araw, ilang beses ko pinapakinggan yung kanta. No, pag may ginagawa ko, yun yung sound trip ko. No, habang nag-edit ako, yun yung sound trip sa speaker. No. But now we have Where You At with this vibe as well. Okay. Let's see, no? Let's see kung matataas na dyan yung Moonlight para sa akin, ha. Kasi again, this is one of the most requested song, no? Simula pa nung umpisa. Let's go. What the hell?
Lately, I've been feeling disconnected, losing energy.
Disconnected.
Let me read you running in my own time. Baby, do you hear me? Yeah, the truth is I've been dying 'cause the distance is disrupting me and you. So I immediately move, trying to find a better cue. That will surely be for you.
I fucking like that. Let's go, Justin. Immediately. Woo! Di ko alam kung sinasabi ko ito tamang lyrics, pero ang ganda nun.
Immediately move, trying to find a better cue. That will surely be for you. Till we want and lose the two. Let's not waste our time and try to.
Wait, sorry. What the hell is happening in here? Bakit parang sobrang bagay naman sila sa ganitong panahon yung dating nila McDonald's, no? Sa ganitong panahon, I'm sorry, Ken, but I mean the hairstyle, I mean, I feel like si Ken pa rin yung naka ano nun, bullseye, no? Ganda ng pagkaka black, paano ba sabihin to? Maganda yung pagkakaglagay ng buhok, no? Pagkakaporma ng buhok niya sa kanya, pero yung like aesthetic and yung forma, man, with the peace sign ba yan, diba? Yung sa mga hippies. Well, I mean, sensya na, tinalo kayo ni Stel, no? I feel like Stel is para sa irang to, no? Yung damit, yung dating, yung, come on, man.
That will surely be for you.
Parang makikita mo si Stel sa sa yung Top Gun Maverick, no? Ganun yung dating ni Stel dito.
Till we want and lose the two. Let's not waste our time and
Look at
try
this.
to reconnect the lines. Oh yeah, promise getting electrified when I look in your eyes. Oh baby, there's no groove within this music. No sign of your heartbeat in it. I'm alone. Yeah, so sad.
What the fuck? Let's fucking bring it back. Let's fucking bring it fucking back.
Not waste our time.
Sorry na, sobrang lakas lang nung
Try to reconnect the lines. Oh yeah, promise getting electrified when I look in your eyes. Oh baby, there's no groove within this music. No sign of your heartbeat in it. I'm alone. So sad. Will I ever get connected? 'Cause you're already embedded in my heart and soul.
You're forever be embedded. Yung sabi niya, in my heart and soul. So, okay, so kayo na pala, Again, hindi ko masyadong na I'm so distracted sa music video, no? And also the vibe ng song. Pero based on sa mga naintindihan ko sa lyrics, no, parang ano ba sabihin? Is this a song for a loved one na malayo, no? Na parang sabi nga nila, there's no groove. Sabi niya dito sa nung ano, parang pag walang groove tong music na to kung wala ka, 'di ba? You are always embedded in my heart and soul. So kaya pala where you at, no? Asan ka na? Or asan ka?
This music, no sign of your heartbeat in it. I'm alone.
Yeah, no sign of your heartbeat in it. I'm alone. No, 'di ba? Right. Ganda ron. Music and then heartbeat, like the beat. Okay. You're reading too much of these lyrics, man.
I miss getting electrified when I look in your eyes. Oh, baby.
Wait. I just realized, man. Josh, time traveler ka ba? Bakit meron kang smartphone? What the hell?
I miss getting electrified when I look in your
Hello.
eyes. Oh, baby. There's no groove within this music. No sign of your heartbeat
In it, I'm a...
Will I ever get connected? 'Cause you're already
ganda nun.
embedded in my heart and soul.
Hey,
Thanks to all my friends and family.
Josh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Again, si Josh, feeling ko, si Josh ang may isa sa pinaka may magandang mukha sa kanila. Like, hands down, may isa sa mga pinaka magandang mukha sa kanila. Sometimes nga, no, I don't know if this is going to be like a hot take because we all know that Justin is the main visual of SB19, right? Pero there are some instances or like angulo na I feel like minsan angat si Josh kay Justin. Don't know why. I feel like Stel kasi is he is in the middle of them. Like all of them, he's always like the again, this is for me, okay? I feel like Stel is hindi siya sobrang gwapo, parang si Justin. Gwapo siya pero hindi siya sobrang gwapo, But at the same time, sobrang lakas din ang dating niya. No, I mean, Stel is in the middle of all of it. No, hindi siya naaalog. Kumbaga, hindi siya naaalog, hindi siya hindi ko siya makitaan ng kahit anong pagkakataon na maalog sa pwesto niya sa paningin ko, no? Again, Justin is always if we're talking about visual, Justin is always like I feel like number one for me, but sometimes nakikita ko si Josh, no, na parang naging main visual for like few scenes for me, lalo na sa Dungka. Ako lang ba? I don't know kung mahilig ako sa anime, kumukha na si Eustace Kid. I feel like sa Dungka. Also Pablo, no, Dungka, but Josh. But here, on this scene, this one, wait. Yan. Josh. Huwag ko na ulitin yan, please. Huwag ko na ulitin. Okay, last na yan.
Thanks to all my friends and family. Lifting me up, keeping in touch. I know that it should be enough. They say live your
Sabi niya, thanks to my friends and family, that keeping in touch, that should be enough. Oh man, I'm getting confused with the meaning of or yung tema ng kanta. What the hell?
keeping in touch. I know that it should be enough.
Should be enough.
They say live your life with no regrets. How am I to live it up when you and I don't know what's up? So
How can I live it up if you and I don't know what's up? no? Kung paano ako mabubuhay or wag ko patuloy sa buhay kung tayong dalawa hindi natin alam kung ano nangyayari sa atin or hindi tayo nagkakamustahan, no? Is this a song for like a loved one? I'm sorry kung ano yung nasabi ko nung una. I feel like yung unang pagkakaintindi ko is this is a song for someone, no, na mahal mo, like jowa, you know, that kind of level of love. Pero I feel like this is also a song for your loved ones, no, just to family and friends. So where you at? Okay. Oh, okay. No, so this part, si Ken na yung kumakanta, hindi na si Justin. I mean, that hairstyle, Pablo always bang it, no? I mean, naging hairstyle na yan sa showbreak pa lang sa umpisa, no? Laging bagay kay Pablo yung buhok na yan. Let's not waste our time and try to reconnect the line. What the hell? Okay, I just realized something. Pero yung anong yon, yung manipis na oh baby, na-hit niya yun ng sobrang ganda. But wait. Okay. So this is a song for us. Kasi sabi niya, when I see, all your smile. So, where you at is, and this is a song for fans. And maybe for the loved ones as well. And also the fans. I mean, I feel like they consider their fans their loved ones. I assume, right? Their family. Sabi nga ni Ken dun sa interview niya kay Melay sa Quanon 1, which is hindi natin na-upload kasi na-block, no? So sabi nga niya 18 is their family, no? So I assume that's the okay, so where you at, no? Okay, so there's no groove. All right, oh my god. All right. Pumasok sa akin lahat, no? So there's no groove dito sa music na to. Kung wala ka, kasi you're always embedded in my heart and soul, no? Okay. So this is a song for the fans. All right. Got it. Now it all makes sense. What the hell? Oh shit, Stills also banged that hairstyle. What the hell? Heart and soul. Oh shit, okay.
I know we should be together no matter what the weather. Bound forever. This that you can never make us falter, cause we got each other. Wait, Jose, I've been waiting all day for you to come and play. No, tell me where you all at.
Hey, now tell me where you all at, man.
No, tell me where you all at. Let's not waste our time and try to reconnect the line.
Come on, Stel.
I'm trying to
Look at this, rock.
reconnect the line. Oh yeah, I miss getting electrified. Back when you were in my life. Oh baby,
Where you at?
let's go grooving to this music. Oh, I can feel all your heart beating the zone. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I can feel all your heart beating the zone.
I can feel all your heartbeat in the zone. Nice. Gusto ko yan.
Grooving to this music. Oh, I can feel all your heart beating the zone. Yeah. Now that we got reconnected, we'll forever be embedded.
Come on, yung mga angulo dito, yung mga shot, man, is fucking amazing, man. What the hell?
Oh, I can feel all your heart beating.
Mat di kayang gumawa ng gatong music video yung karamihan sa atin? Come on, man. Ano, kailangan pa ba ng SB19 para magkaroon tayo ng gatong quality na music video? Again, we have a lot of quality music videos na actually, no? Pero yung hindi ganito as sobrang like creative na gatong ka-creative na music video, no? I feel like there's a lot of music videos na lumabas, no? I feel like yung music video natin is mas nag-i-improve kaysa sa movies natin, eh. And I cannot wrap my head around that, no? Kung bakit yung mga music video natin na minsan gawa pa ng mga independent artists is may magandang quality ng music video, no? I feel like mas maganda lang yung may concept na nakukuha ng SB19 dito sa mga music video nila, and I don't know why, no, kailangan pa ng SB19 para magkaroon tayo or magkaroon yung idea ng mga art na mga gumagawa ng music video ngayon ng paganda klase ng concept ng music video. Pero again, I mean, hindi ko inaano yung no shade sa ibang music video kasi karamihan ng music video natin sa Pilipinas is magaganda, no? Hindi ko alam kung ano nangyari sa movie natin, pero yeah. Like, look at this. Look at this. It's Avengers level of CGI or effects. Look at this, so.
Back when you were in my life. Oh baby,
You at.
let's go grooving to this music. Oh, I can feel all your heart beating the zone.
Hey.
Got reconnected, we'll forever be embedded in our
Heart and soul.
Let's go grooving to this music. Oh, I can feel all your heart beating the zone.
Still never missed, no? Hitting those fucking high notes. Come on, man. In the background.
Let's go grooving to this music. Oh, I can feel all your heart beating the zone. Yeah. Now that we got reconnected.
What the hell? Let's do that. What the hell? Baka maano ako. Wag na. Ginawa niya yun na walang kahirap-hirap. Ano nangyari sa frame na to? Like, look at this. See how high is that? I'm sorry, Josh. Hindi talaga bagay sa yung buhok na yan. Pero, see how high is that? Andito na yung paa niya, oh. Look at this. Right, ito. Andito na yung paa niya. Pag gano'n yan, hindi ko alam kung kaya ko iabot yung ako. Paano yung buwelo niya doon? Ganun siya, no? Let's stop this. Napayak ang sarili ko.
Now that we got reconnected, we'll forever be embedded in our hearts and souls, yeah.
That's fucking smooth, man. Oh. No, but what? What is? Like, see, come on, look at this, like, just, yeah, come on. For example, this one, like this shot, come on, diba? I don't know. No, sometimes I feel like, I feel like, may mga angulo na sobrang, I don't know, biglaan, parang lamang yung, like, look at this, yeah, that like, di na nakapagsalita eh. Or yet, kakamustahan. Nice. Alright, well again, that's SB19. Where you at, no? Official music video. That's a fucking banger, man. That's a fucking banger, man. SB19 never fucking miss. Every single fucking time. But I have a hot take in here. I really enjoyed that song. I really do. Lalo na sa Where you at? Na 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 na. Yeah ba? Yung ganong ganong flow, no? Pero I feel like Moonlight still closest to my heart, man. Don't know why. Moonlight is still fucking. But yeah, well that's the rest for today, man. Sana gustuhan nyo. Leave a like and subscribe kung gusto mo sabihin yung artist, singer, rapper, song, man. Comment down below. Mag-react tayo dyan. And that's it for me today. See you on my next vid. Stay awesome. Peace.